Giacomo Antonio Melchiorre Ceruti was born October 13, 1698, died August 28, 1767. He was an Italian late Baroque painter, active in northern Italy in Milan, Brescia, and Venice. He acquired the nickname Pitocchetto for his many paintings of peasants dressed in rags. His landscape backgrounds resemble stage flats and are often copied from print sources, such as the engravings of Jacques Callot. The realism Ceruti brought to his genre paintings also distinguishes his portraits and still lifes, while it is less apparent in his somewhat conventional decorative paintings for churches, including frescoes for the Basilica Santa Maria Assunta of Gandino and an altarpiece for Santa Lucia in Padua. This limitation is not unique to Ceruti. The Brescian painter from the late 16th century, Giovanni Battista Moroni, was similarly known for expressive portraits and drab religious paintings.